We got we got a couple of like 20 plus pound kings spawning here. Very cool. I know, we won't scare him, honey. Don't worry. We won't scare him. Oh, so cool. I'm so shaky. Oh, they're beautiful. Let's see if I can get a better position here. Yeah, that is cool. I think the big one is the hen. The smaller one's the buck. There's a few other milling around in here too. These two are really big. So pretty. Very cool. Alright guys, we'll catch you later. Well, they're gonna put on a little more of a show for us, I guess. Oh yeah. Alright. Now I guess we'll catch you later. Have a good evening.